Here working on the Ford 515 Sickle bar, still getting ready for the spring first cutting. Today we're going to be replacing a couple of the cutter sections, also known as, people call them teeth. Quick how-to on replacing them. So first thing, I got the bar here laid out, ready to go. Single bolt that removes the intersection the teeth are mounted to. So what I'm going to do is just grab the belt here by hand and cycle this around to gain access to the bolt. That's this bolt right here. Okay, coming here from the front side, get a better view at it. Left myself a little note from last year with magic marker there. 1 5/16. So again, that's a 1 5/16 inch bolt that goes on there. Yep, so this is that the retaining bolt, big fat custom bolt there. I'll see if I can get a shot here. So this is looking on the side. That bolt just came right out of there. And then right down here, that right there is the section of the sickle bar that the cutter sections mount to, and you can see the threads where that bolt was holding on there. So now that we got that bolt out, this whole section slides out the end of the bar here for replacing those cutter sections. Step is we do have to remove this hold down clip here, the one closest to the wobble box. Those are so 11/16 nut on there on mine. Alrighty, so now that's out of the way. Yeah, before I get going here, I'm going to go grab myself a pair of leather gloves, put them on there so I don't inadvertently slice my fingers on any of these cutters. That'll be annoying. So let me go do that, and then we'll get this bar pulled out of here. That drive section of the bar there just really was interfering bad with the clips. So I just removed all the hold down clips for each of the guards, just to make this thing slide out nice and easy. A bit more annoying than I remember it being, but yeah, you saw there in the time lapse the bar just comes and just slides right at the end. The end that popped out from the front guards, since I had taken off all the hold down plates, and just kind of fell back in this area, and I was able to just fish it through the end there pretty quick once it got free. So let's go ahead and get those teeth checked out. Okay, so the installation is just reverse the removal. You saw me just fish that bar, the knife back in. Take your time, watch your fingers. Just look, it's usually just gets caught in a random spot. You just gotta wiggle it until it fits. For the reinstall of the big bolt, you basically just line it up. I put a little bit of grease on the threads to help make sure it doesn't get rusted in there. And then get it started. I don't know if this thing has a torque value on it, but being that it's taper fit bolt, I just get it snug. Didn't come out on me at all working last year, so just gonna give that a reasonable torque. Again, if someone knows what that value is, post it in the comments below. But yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much just snug it up. That's that. Yep, and then we'll go right down the line here. I'll reinstall the guards and the hold down clamps that I took off, and we'll be back up and ready to go in the field. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful or you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Hey, if you can go ahead and subscribe, that really helps me out and I appreciate it. And but you'll also get notified every time I got something new going on around here. And thanks for watching, and best of luck out there.